Ever wondered how those fascinating shots in movies are achieved? It's all about camera angles and shot types. Today we're going to unravel the enigma of film shots, exploring 7 unique types that filmmakers use to bring their visions to life. From depicting the grandeur of a location with an extreme long shot, to capturing the minute emotions on a character's face with an extreme close-up, each shot type serves a distinct purpose. So, are you ready to dive into the world of movie shots? First up, we have the extreme long shot. This shot is like the grand stage of cinema, used to make the subject appear small against their location, providing a sense of scale and grandeur. It's all about perspective. Quite an impressive shot, isn't it? Next, let's talk about the long shot. This shot captures the subject, typically a person, in their entirety. It's a fantastic way to showcase a character's body language or attire, shedding light on their personality or current state of mind. A shot that tells a lot about a character, don't you agree? Next comes the medium shot. Here, the camera moves closer, typically framing the subject from the waist up. This shot is a favorite in many dialogues, as it provides a good view of the subject's gestures and expressions without losing the context of the surroundings. Lastly, we have the medium close-up shot. This one frames the subject from the chest up, favoring the face but still keeping some distance. It's like leaning in to hear a secret, bringing us closer to the subject's emotions while still maintaining a respectful boundary. As we move closer, the shots become more personal, wouldn't you say? Finally, we reach the most intimate shots, the close-up shot and the extreme close-up shot. These shots are the heart of storytelling, the window to the soul of the characters. The close-up shot, as the name suggests, brings us closer to the subject, revealing their emotions and reactions. This shot is often used to emphasize the importance of a character's feelings or responses. Moving on, the extreme close-up shot takes us even closer, filling the frame with the subject. It's like a magnifying glass focusing on the smallest details and emotions, making them larger than life. These shots truly bring us face to face with the subject, revealing their innermost emotions. So that's our quick tour of the different types of shots in filmmaking. From extreme long shots creating vastness to extreme close-ups revealing intense emotions, each shot tells a unique story. Join us here at Skill Punch for more informative videos. We've got a lot more to share with you.